Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning! Andito tayo ngayon sa mall. Sasali tayo ng molathon. Good exercise dahil mainit na ngayon dito sa Dubai. Mainit na sa labas. Kaya uso na ngayon dito sa mall. From June 15 to September 15, 7 in the morning up to 10. Yan. Tayo yung magmumolathon. Samahan nyo ako. Join me today for my molathon. Let's go! Lakad na tayo. Ito na yung starting point. Tara! Umpisa na natin. Join me today. Gandang exercise to. It's every day here in the mall from 7 to 10 daily. Tara. Hi. Good morning. Let's go. Agad tayo. Ayan, maraming naglalakad. Joining me in the morning. Dito sa mall, malamig. Marami ka pang makikita. Diba? Double purpose. Ma-entertain ka na sa mga nakikita mo sa paligid. At the same time, nag-exercise ka pa. Water station. Yan. If you want some water, buha ka lang po. Isang ikot nito, I think it's 1.2 kilometer. So maka-apat ka, maka 7 kilometers ka na rin. Bago dito, stay and play. No? Tapos after mo maglakad kasi nasa mall ka, diretso ka natin. Coffee lang walang ibang cookies or something. Kasi sayang lang ang pinagpaguran pagkakain ka ng matamis. So you just have to drink ice Americano after walking. Ito, may bounce dito. Ayan. What's our areas? Ayan, may mga naglilinis na sa mga store. Ito is my registration badge. Ayan, libre lang po. It's free. You just come anytime here. No, from 7 to 10. Please. Ganda. Tara, tara. Join us every day dito sa Dubai Festival City, Merge City Center, Dubai Mall, Dubai Hills, Dera City Center. Yan. We need to have 150 minimum, 150 minutes every week to have a healthy body and healthy mind, healthy lifestyle. Diba? Hindi lang puro kain. We need to do exercise. Me, I do multiple exercise, yoga, tai chi, walking, running, weights. Yan. Because I'm over 50, so I need to also do weights to become stronger para mas malakas ang mga buto-buto natin. Good things. Yeah, good things take time. This is my third round. Ayan. Ayan. Dito. Brands for less dito. If you want to buy brands, we for less price, yeah, you can come here. It's brands for less. Another one is luxury for less. Ayan. Kakaingit yung isang lalaki doon. Ang bilis tumakbo. I'm not that young as him. So, hindi ko na kaya. But maybe kaya. Pero kailangan ng mahabang practice. dito. This is the border. Yan. Borders. Fourth time. Yeah. How many kilometers? One round?
One round, 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
So now you
Okay.
have to go.
Yeah.
Good job.
Nice. One kilometer pala, one round. Now I'm in the fourth round. Isa pa. One more round para ma-reach ko ang 5 kilometers. Let's go! Tara, tara. Push, push more. Immersive. Physical fitness. Ayan. Pawis-pawis na ako. Cute. Yan. Cute, 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 cute. And natapos na tayo. Ayan. Ganda ng mga sasakyan dito. Na BYD. Ayan, mga dream car. Sana may pambili tayo. Manalo tayo today ng UA Lottery. Ayan o, ganda niya no, yung BYD Shark 6. Pang camping. O, pwede ka lang may tulugan sa taas. Ano, ganda. If you can dream, you can do it. Ayan. Ganda o. Hybrid. Electric power. Ayan siya. O, yan ang camping niya sa taas. Ganda din. Another one. Yan. After jogging, running, ito. Dito naman tayo sa Starbucks. Drinking Americano with protein foam. Yan daw. That's the new one. Yan. Cheers. Almost the same with Americano. Pero may protein nga lang siya sa ibabaw.